Whoa, what up, YouTube? It's Steven. I'm with Steven's channel. I was supposed to do this last time. My son's iPhone not coming on. It's an iPhone 16. And I just wanted to show y'all if y'all phone not coming on. It's like hold the power button, it's not doing nothing. I think you press the up key, you press the down key, then you hold the power button and that should make it come on for like 30 seconds. Let's see if that's what it do. Okay, let's try this again. Press the up key. Oh, press the up key, press the down key, then hold the power button for like 30 seconds or something like that.
What?
And there you have it, y'all. If your iPhone not turning on, ooh, excuse that stain. That's what you do. Alright, y'all. Subscribe to the channel. I'll holler at y'all. Peace.